Konnichiwa minasan, let's do a review for a Japanese whitening product which is the Transino White. The Transino White has two products which is the Transino White C Clear and the Transino White C. The Transino White C Clear, which is the color blue, has a 240mg LCST, 1000mg of vitamin C, and 4 variety of vitamins. The Transino White C Premium has the same LCST which is 240mg. The vitamin C is 2000mg which is higher than the other one and has 5 variety of vitamins which is more than the other. So I decided to choose the Transino White C Premium, guys. So let's open the box of Transino C. Yun. This is inside of Transino C, guys. So, tanggalan natin ni. It is composed of 180 tablets. So, let's take it twice a day. In every take is 3 tablets. 3 tablets pala siya? Kinaya mo? Ang arte mo sa gamot? Oh. So, 3 tablets, guys. Every take. So, samahan niyo ako sa journey ko ng 1 month taking Transino White C. So, I decided to take a weekly photo of myself, guys, with the same lighting to see for yourself if there's any improvement. This is my week 1 photo, guys, and I feel so fresh. And just got my new haircut. This is my 2nd week of taking the tablets. Here's the 3rd week. Medyo pumuti, diba? And the last week, guys, pumuti ako. Ano sa tingin nyo, guys? Partida it's summer here in Japan at ang init-init, guys. So what you think? Comment down below, guys. At sa mga gusto umorder for November arrival, PM is the key, guys. Gora na yan.